What is one thing that you want from a university course?
I want a course that guarantees an honorable job.
I want a course that has more practical approach.
I want a course that is taught by word translate.
I want a course that teaches me resource management.
I want a course that enables me to become a better decision maker.
So, we are proud to offer a dynamic course of economics program at University of Turbat that empowers you to understand the world of complex economies.
Initially, we offered MSc 2-year program and 8 batches are pass out. With the passage of time, the department offered BS 4-year program, which was the need of the day. The main purpose of this program is to bring human resource into human capital through rigorous teaching, training, and research. The purpose of this program is not only to boost up their critical thinking and analytical reasoning, but make them a good citizen of the country.
The job opportunities in the field of economics include both private and public sector and are greater than any other discipline of the social sciences. So the graduates of BS Economics can work in the government, in banking sector, in international organization and other financial institutions.
From interactive workshops to guest lectures with industry tour, our program provides numerous opportunities to gain insights and skills that will set you apart in your career. We believe in applying knowledge to create positive change. Join us in community initiatives that not only enhance your learning, but also benefit society.
I would say those 2 years have been amazing. It has not only equipped me with analytical tools, rather it has given me the courage to put forward my ideas, perspective and thoughts in front of so many people. I have been so lucky to have mentors and guides like Ms. Samina, Dr. Yaqub and Sir Deepak.
Are you ready to embark on your academic journey? Join the University of Turbat's Economics Department and unlock your potential. Visit university website to learn more about our economics program and the admission process. We can't wait to welcome you to our vibrant community.